And there's the MetroBus that goes from King Street Old Town to, from George Mason University to King Street Old Town. That one's not in service, so they're doing driver training, and they don't run when it's in service, but only when it's in service, but not when it's out of service. And 5:30 or 5:45, I'm gonna be able to take a shower. My dad will have me breakfast, and then brush my teeth and get ready to go on the MetroBus to get to Tyson's. And here comes the Q bus, but let me see if that could be gold 1. And if there's gold 2, if there's green 1 again, I'm gonna stand back and have it leave, and I'm gonna wait for gold 1. And I'm gonna call, and when I get home from the bus, I'll call Conda and say I came back. We'll see. Okay, let me stand back. Remember, this will be gold 1, okay? We're gonna round gold 1 and then continue the trip. And then there'll be no more until Friday. I can ride it to Tyson's. I don't want you to spend time and energy making friends. People are too tired of it. I don't like it when they spend their time and energy making friends. And that is why you like about buses that comes around here, and you know what to do if there's a reason to go to George Mason University, to know if there's Eagle Bank Arena there. And what happened out here? Why is outside so windy? I'm bluffed. I don't like windy weather. I'm too bluffed. The Q bus will be in shortly. And where is it? Remember, that'll be gold 1. We took green 1 already. I took a picture of the bus stop, and I took 2. So I'm gonna take one more at Gainsborough. I'm gonna take one more at Gainsborough, and then back on 2B to go to Germantown Board Street. Just the entire trip. And back around the corner for the graduation is the Eagle Bank Arena.